Let's connect it to project.
Okay.
So this is the project we created yesterday.
Yes.
So in this project, we copied data from different tables and today we are going to work with this concept, enter data concept. So enter data means like this directly you can go for input data. Suppose ID, e-name, salary, like this. Okay, now suppose employee 2 is the table name. So we are not copying data from any source. Directly we are creating table here only, and we are going for data rate. See this. So if you want to check the data, what to do? Go to data view, left side. See this. Okay, now. So in the same way, we can also copy data from SQL. I mean, direct copy paste kind of. You select database here. Select star from EMP. See this. This is the table we have. You click on this corner and right click, copy data. Okay, now? You can go to this environment. Here, go to home tab, enter data. Right click and paste. Table created. Okay, now? Even like this also, we can do this scenario. Right. And so find out the difference, what we are doing here and how we are copying data from different sources to Power BI environment. Okay. So this is the way like how we copy from different sources to Power BI. In the same way, now we have to discuss about refresh concept. So how to work with the refresh? See this, you go to department 1 table. We copied this table by using import. See, if you place mouse here, you can see import concept. Right. And so now I'm going to modify something in the source. Suppose select star from department 1 table, no data. I'm going to insert data into department 1 table. 10 computer science. Hyderabad. So this row inserted into table. That means table modified in the source, right, Andy? Okay, now please check. So now this modification copied from source to Power BI. Or change the tables and check it. Modification not copied. And so now I want to copy this modification from source to Power BI. What to do? That's my point, right? Here we have refresh button and just click on refresh. See, refresh is used to copy data from source to Power BI. Refresh we use it only for what? Import. Direct query, no need to use import. Let's finish it. See this, copied or not? right? And modification copy. That is refresh option. So these are the ways, different ways to copy data from different data sources to Power BI. In the same way, how to copy modifications from source to Power BI. These are all different things. And coming to next scenario. After finishing copy data, we are going to work with transformations. How to transform data. Let's go to this window, transform data window. Right? And this is Power Query Editor window. Left side you can see queries. Queries means tables. In Power Query Editor, we call tables as queries. Coming to right side, you can see applied steps. So you are going to perform transformations means you are going to perform some scenarios. So it shows there whatever the scenarios you performed. So generally we are going to save them. So you can see save button, or you can also use Control S. But sometimes what happens, we can cancel. Okay. We can cancel. And coming to next scenario. Let's start with, and here in this training, I'm not going to save the steps. I'm going to perform this step, and then I'm going to cancel. But in real time, we are not going to cancel. Every step maximum we are going to save. Okay, now practice purpose, I'm going to. So here we have right click. I mean, just take right click on query. I mean table. You can see properties. Copy, paste, delete, rename. So these are common scenario. Just leave it. But here we have enable loaded. Those things also I'm going to work. I'm not skipping anything. Okay, now right. So we'll read that message. So disable means this table cannot be used in report creation. Suppose there is some table, you don't want to use the table in the report creation, you can disable like this. But my question is different. I'm not going to disable because I'm going to use this table, I think. But now my question is different. My question is, If you don't want to use the table, why you are copying the table? You just stop copying table, right? And that's my point, right? But see, sometimes what happens, I told you in the beginning, we are going to create relationships between tables. Right? And so some scenarios, what happens, you copied some tables from source to Power BI. You want to create relationships between tables. But you're not going to use that table in the report creation. There we are going to disable like this. Otherwise, we are not going to disable. Okay, na? Right. Coming to next step, see. If you unselect it, what happens, this table will not be included in refresh. You just unselect it and click on refresh button. Then this table will not be refreshed. Right? And so next, duplicate, just creating duplicate table. You're working with some table, you can create duplicate. See, this duplicate table is created. Now I will show how to delete it. See. Okay, now. So coming to next scenario, here also we have some other scenarios which we are going to discuss in the coming sessions. But now let's go to this advanced editor. See that this advanced editor is showing source details. Please check it. What is our source server name? What is our source database name? It is showing clearly. This is what the scenario. In the same way, go to properties window. What it is showing? Again, same scenario it is showing. Properties window also showing same enable, load, refresh. So these things only it is showing. Okay. So this is what the scenario. Hello. Right. So these are the properties we have for our queries. After that, here we have different columns: employee number, employee name, hire date. Okay, now. So open this employee number drop down because employee number is number family. You can see some scenarios here. Data selection 7369 or 7788. I mean, you can select required data. See, it was showing step, but I cancelled that step. Okay, now. Next, ascending order, descending order. So what happens? Sort. Next step, remove empty. Empty means what? Null values. Suppose your column contains null values, you want to remove them, then we use it. For example, we don't have any null value in employee number column. You just go to commission column. Of course, commission is also number family only, right? In commission column, we have null values. See this. So remove empty. See that what happened based on null value, that row, whatever the null valued row is there, that deleted. I mean, those rows deleted. Please check it. So next, go to number filters. Number filters means operators. We use different types of operators in these number filters. For example, employee number means number family column, right? And what is the column we are using now? Employee number column we are using. Employee number is number family, right? Suppose employee number equal to 7369. In the same way, suppose equals to 7788. Different employee numbers I'm using. But here important thing is there are some operators and operator or operator. When we use and or operators, what is the difference between and or operators? See, we use and or operators when we are working with multiple conditions in the query. Okay. Coming to next scenario. And operator means every condition must be satisfied. Suppose you have different conditions there. Please check it. Right, and you have different conditions there. Please check. And you separated them by using and operator, right? And that means every condition must be satisfied. Or operator means if any condition satisfied, then you can complete the task. Now it is not going to complete because I'm using and operator. See that no data is coming. No data is extracted. Let's do one thing. Here you can see the step applied. You open this step like this. Go for R operator. See this? Now it is working. Got my point? So when we are working with multiple conditions in the same scenario, we use and or operators. AND operator means every condition must be satisfied. OR operator means if any condition satisfied, so that you can extract data. That's what happened now. We have seen practically also, right, Andy? So I'm going to cancel this step. But remember, in real time, we are not going to cancel this step. Okay, now? So next scenario, you go to character.
So I have one doubt.
Tell me.
Okay. So in the AND operator, so both the condition what you gave, that 7369 and 7788, so that both were matching, then it should pull the data also.
Not matching. AND means it must be there in the same column, same value, single attempt. But they are not single attempt, right? They are different department numbers, right? Okay, na?
Okay.
Got my point? But when you are using OR operator, it is working, right?
Yes.
That's the
Yes.
reason. Okay, na?
Yeah, got it.
Right.
Thank you.
Coming to next scenario. Ename call. Ename means what? Character data. In Power BI, we call it as text data. Open this drop down window. See that same, everything same. Everything same. Please check. But you go to this area, changed. Because based on data type, what's happening here? Filters are going to change. I mean, changed already. We can see here now. So begins with, suppose ename begins with yes and suppose contains p. See this and operator I'm using. So means every condition satisfied there. Started with yes, contains t. Please check it. Right hand. Open this filter. Go for OR operator. Now you can see more. See. That is what the scenario. Okay, no? And in the same way, higher date time data. Because see here we are working with the different types of data. Right now it is date time. Everything is same, but filters changed. Only year, only quarter. Suppose quarter one related data. How many quarters there per year? Any idea, please? Anybody? How many quarters per year? 4 quarters.
4 quarters.
In the same way, cancel this step and go to month. Suppose I need only June month data. Please check it. So month, week, everything based on what? Date time. So these are the scenarios. In the same way, you can see your column names, and these are row numbers. What are these things? Row numbers. Remember this point also. Okay. Na? So based on column name, based on row number, also we are going to perform some transformations that we will see in tomorrow's class. Practice these things for today. And coming to next scenario, Samar and Ashish, you connect to 7 a.m. class tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock class. You don't need to connect to 5 p.m. Okay, na? And we will give you access to 7 a.m. class recordings also. I think this guy already got access, Ashish. Samar, you'll get it.